Hello children, today you will learn the expanded form of numbers, that is 4-digit and 5-digit numbers exercises. Before we do that, we will first look at some of the examples which you have learned in the previous class. The first example is 13,067. Digits were taken to multiply it into the position that they took to give you the place value of the numbers. These place values were then added to give you the expanded notation of the number 13,067, which is 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 0 plus 60 plus 7. You also saw other numbers like 5,324. The expanded notation for this number was 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. Another number was 23,375. The expanded notation was 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 5. You have already seen the expanded notation of this example 13,067. So we now proceed to the next exercise examples, that is when the numbers are given in expanded notation, you have to write the number in standard number form of figures. The first one is 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 0 plus 60 plus 7. You have to take the first digits of the place value and write it to get 13,067. The next example 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 5. Again, take the first digits of the place value numbers and write it as 23,375. The third example 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. The figure or standard number form which you get of this expanded notation is 5,324. So now children, you have understood these examples of how to write expanded notation and how to write figures or standard number forms from expanded notation or expanded form of numbers given. We will now look at the exercise on page 11, where you have to write the following numbers in expanded form. The first sum 4,050. You have to first write the places. 4, th stands for 1000, 0, 100, 5, tens and 0, units. Looking at the places that the numbers or digits have, you have to get the place value. Once you get the place value, write it in the addition form. Values written in addition form is the expanded notation of the following number, that is 4,000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 0. Now let us go to the second digit, that is a 5-digit number 65,100. As you did in the above sum, get the place values of the number and then add them up. Since 6 is in 10,000's place, the place value will be 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 0, because 0 is in tens place, the place value becomes 0, plus again another 0 in units place, so the value of 0 is 0 itself. I repeat again, 65,100. The expanded notation is 60,000, 5,000, 100, 0 plus 0. This has to be written in addition form, which is the expanded notation of 65,100. Children, please don't forget to write the plus signs in between these place values. Now let us go to the next number 8,000. The expanded notation is 8,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, because there is only zeros in hundreds place, tens place and units place. In the same way, you will continue doing the fourth sum and the fifth sum. First by finding out the place value and then writing them in addition form. So also with sum number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Once you do these sums, then look at the answers and check if they are correct. We will now look at the exercise on page 12. Here the expanded notations are given. You have to write their places and above the numbers to mention the places of the digits and then write the number in standard form of figures. The first sum is 3000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. The place values for 3 is in thousand place, 2 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place and 7 in units place. So you will arrange these digits in their proper place value which is written above the number. In the same way, the second sum 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 1. 10,000 is 1 10,000 and 5 is 1000. 0 since there is nothing in hundreds place, 0 since there is nothing in tens place, and directly you take 1 which is in units place. So in tens and hundreds place you have to write 0. So the number or the standard number form is 15,001. So let us go to the next sum, 4,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 3. So you write the digits first with their place values, that is 4th, that is 1000, 5h, that is 500, 1 tens which is just 1 10 and 3 units. And you get the standard form number 4513. Now the rest sums, the fourth, fifth and sixth sum has to be done in the same way as the above sums were done. We will now look at the next exercise also on page 12 where the digits are given in a jumbled form and then you have to arrange it according to their places and then get the number in standard form or figures. Let us look at the first example which is given above. We will look at the second example that is given, 9h, 8tth, 5u. Units. It is not put in order. So first we have to arrange these digits according to their place value. TTH is 10,000. We will take 8 first. So 8 10,000 which is 80,000. Next will be 9h because there is nothing in thousand place. And finally in tens place nothing. So we take directly 5 units. So the number for this example is 80,905. Now let us go to the first sum in the exercise which is given in jumbled form. 7 units, 2 tens, 5 10,000, 9,000. If we arrange them in order according to their places, we get 5 TTH, 9 TH, 2T and 7U, which stands for 5, that is in 10,000's place, so 50,000, 9,000, 2 tens means 20 and 7 units. So the number that we get in standard number form is 59,027. You will notice that it is 0 in hundreds place as there is no digit given in as 100. Now the second sum is 3h, 4th, 5t and 1tth. So we arrange 1 10,000 in the first place, then follows the thousand place, which is 4, and hundreds place 3, 5 place tens, and nothing in units, so it's 0. So the number that we derive is 14,350. Now children, the remaining sums, third and fourth, you will do it by yourself, and later check to see if your sums are correct in the exercises given to you. I hope you have all understood this topic, expanded form or expanded notation.